Okay, class 10. Now I am moving with the statement sums. I'll just form the equation. You will solve it. Okay. Now first question, that is number 4, they told you the sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age. Sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is what? 1 by 3. So first of all, we say like this. This is 4. Let present age of Rahman. Present age of Rahman is x. So they told you 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So 3 years ago, his age was what? X minus 3. And 5 years from now, his age will be x plus 5. Isn't it? Now what does the question say? The sum of the reciprocal of his age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. So reciprocal of this 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to what? 1 by 3. Okay? Then simplify and then solve. Okay? Now while solving, suppose you get negative value. Suppose one of the value you get negative. Now what is x? Age of Rahman. So age cannot be negative. So that you have to reject. But that statement you have to tell why you have rejected. So you should say age cannot be negative. So this value has been rejected. So answer is this. Okay. So you can solve now. Okay. Yes. Then next one, the fifth one. What is the fifth one? In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. So let English mark is x. So mathematics marks will be what? 30 minus x. Because together she got 30. English and maths together she got 30. Now the thing is, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, so according to the question, what they are saying, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, okay, and 3 marks less in English, okay, the product would have been 210. This product would have been 210. Okay. So we assume English mark is x, mathematics marks is 30 minus x. The question says, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, then the product of the marks would have been 210. So this is 32 minus x minus 3 is equal to 210. Then you simplify x into minus x, you get minus x square, then 32x, then plus 3x, then minus 96 is equal to 210. So minus x square plus 35x minus 96 minus 210 is equal to 0. So minus x square plus 35x minus 6, 9 plus 1 is 10, then 3 is equal to 0. We divide everybody with minus. So you get x square minus 35x, then plus 306 is equal to 0. Okay? Okay? 18 into 17. 8 7s are 56, 7 on the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 8, 1. Okay? 18 plus 17 is 35. Alright. So if you solve, you will be getting x minus 18, x minus 17. I have missed out 2 steps. Huh? So factorize, you will get x minus 18, x minus 17. That means your answer x is 18 or 17. Now what is x? Marks in English. So you are getting 2 types of answer. Had she got x in English, mathematics will be 30 minus x. So when x is 18, that means if her English marks is 18, then mathematics marks will be 12. 30 minus 18. And had she got 17 in mathematics, 17 in English, then mathematics marks will be 30 minus 17. That is 13. Yes. Okay. So 2 pair of answer. 18 and 12 or 17 and 13. Okay. If she English, it's not English, this is maths. Huh? Both are English marks. Had she got 18 in English, mathematics marks will be 30 minus 18. And had she got 17 in English, mathematics marks will be 30 minus 17. That is 13. Understood? Okay. Thank you.